what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a double Gucci unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited about this video. I literally just got back from the South Park Mall in Charlotte, and obviously I went to the Gucci store, and Charlotte's about an hour and 45-minute drive from me. I live in North Carolina, by the way. So I didn't even plan on going today. I'll explain that later in the video, but I picked up two jewelry pieces and I just thought it'd be fun to unbox them on camera for you guys. I haven't unboxed them yet. I literally just got home and wanted to share this special moment with you guys. I recently did a unboxing on my Louis Vuitton Passy bag and you guys really liked it. So I thought it'd be fun to do a jewelry unboxing because I've never done this on my channel. Actually, I have. I did do one Cartier ring unboxing, but yeah, that's the only like jewelry unboxing that I've done. So if you guys want to see what I got from Gucci, why I got it, all that fun stuff, then just keep watching. So I have been obsessed with jewelry recently. As you guys can tell, I always wear like these bracelets and these rings. I'm just obsessed with like designer jewelry. And I mean, like, this isn't designer, this is from Ana Luisa, but I have a few designer necklaces that I love and wear all the time. And I am just like kind of done buying bags for a little while. I just have way too many, if you guys can see. And I don't know, I've just really been into buying like designer jewelry. Since I'm not buying bags, it's gotta be something, right? I'll do like a jewelry collection or like an everyday jewelry type of video if you guys want. I definitely will do that. But anyways, yeah, so I've been obsessed with jewelry recently and I have a lot from Dior. I have some from Cartier, Tiffany & Co. that I don't wear, Louis Vuitton. I have like a mixture, but I've never gotten jewelry from Gucci because all their jewelry is silver, except the really expensive pieces. They're like actual like gold and they call it the fine jewelry. Yeah, all their like more affordable jewelry is all silver and I don't wear silver at all. So I haven't bought anything from Gucci jewelry wise. And then they just released this new collection that I'm about to show you guys, and it just spoke to me because it's technically costume jewelry because it's not fine jewelry, but I'm pretty sure it's like gold plated, like 18 karat gold plated. But this is just literally like everything I could have ever asked for, and I'm so excited that Gucci actually finally released some gold jewelry that isn't considered fine jewelry, because to be honest with you guys, if I'm gonna get fine jewelry, it's just gonna be from Cartier. That's just how it is. Because I mean, like, Gucci was asking $1,500–1,600 for like this gold ring, and I'm just like, I might as well buy more Cartier rings for that price. Like, no. So I'm really excited about this. I actually just got back from Charleston this past weekend, and I went into the store on King Street and asked them if they had this specific jewelry piece, and they were like, no, we actually just sold the whole collection to somebody like a couple hours ago, and that was the only piece that we had gotten in. Like, they had gotten one of each piece and I literally just missed it. So then I texted my SA when I got back to North Carolina and asked if they had this ring, and she put it on hold for me. Me and my mom drove and picked it up, and I actually picked up something that I didn't think I was gonna get. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. So here's the two boxes. I'll go ahead and show you guys the ring, which is actually what was on hold for me. That's originally what I was just gonna get. So comes in this little green box. I'm really bad at unboxing. What am I doing? And then you open it up and it's in this little pouch. I'm pretty sure this was their holiday like bags, but, and then this is the ring. It's literally gorgeous. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera how sparkly it is, but she brought it out to me and I was like, it looks 10 times better than it does online. Like, I was shook. I was like, okay, like, I'm definitely getting that. And then it made me want to look at the rest of the collection. This is the Gucci Double G key ring, I want to say. I think that's what it's called, because it looks like a little key, but I'm actually gonna wear it on my middle finger. And then my two Cartier rings and my Dior ring on this hand, I think. Let me know what you guys think. But It's gorgeous. I actually saw it on Instagram, like on my suggested, and I was like, oh my god, there's no way like that's real, and if it is real, then it's gonna be like thousands of dollars. And then I looked it up and I was like, oh my god, it's not. It was like I think I paid $580 for the ring without tax. And yeah, I'm just really excited. So in this collection they have a ring, which is what I got, a bracelet, and a necklace. So the ring was just so gorgeous in person, and I actually saw the bracelet and the necklace in person too, and was like, oh my god, I have to try both of them on. I was just like really drawn to the whole collection, and I picked up, can you guys guess what I picked up? Is it the bracelet or is it the necklace? I'll just unbox it with you guys. So this is like a burgundy packaging. I really like this box. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know it came in this bag. That's so cute. It's like a jewel tone lavender little dust bag. Okay, are you guys ready? It's literally so gorgeous. I got the bracelet, if you guys couldn't tell, but it's just gold with rhinestones obviously all over it, so sparkly. And then on the bracelet it has like these little like jewel detail. I don't know, I would try and put this on for you guys, but I'm gonna have to have somebody help me because I'm not good at like putting bracelets on with my nails. I think I'm gonna put it in the middle of these two because that's what my essay suggested. I actually tried it on this wrist, but I think it'll look better on this one. So yeah, I chose the bracelet and the ring. The ring was actually, why did I just show you guys this hand? I chose the bracelet and the ring. The ring was $580, I believe, and then the bracelet was $490. No, bracelet was $440. The necklace was $490. I just wasn't like really drawn to the key necklace. It looked like just like a key. It didn't look like as good as this. I don't know, I'll insert a picture. I'll probably end up getting the necklace later on, but it wasn't something that I needed right now. My first two choices were the ring and the bracelet, so I was like, I have to get these two. The necklace can wait. I have a lot of necklaces too, and I don't wear them a lot, like I said, because I sleep in like all my other jewelry, like my rings and my bracelets, but my necklaces I don't. So I didn't feel like I would get as much use out of it. And I have like a Louis Vuitton necklace and a Dior necklace that I don't wear, so I need to start wearing those. But yeah, I just thought that these two pieces would be so cute together, especially if I wear the bracelet on this hand and then the ring on this hand. I'm just like super excited. It is kind of expensive for costume jewelry, but yeah, I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Shop quick because I'm sure they will sell out so fast, because Gucci has never done anything like this. Like, I think they just recently started doing the double G silver rings, and then that caught my eye, but I didn't want it because I don't wear silver. And so then when they came out with this, I was like, this is absolutely stunning. It's got the gold look, but it's also rhinestone, and it just looks honestly like real diamonds, like in person. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, like how how blingy it actually is. I'm gonna like insert a video with flash. My hands look so bad from the spray tan, so just ignore. Like, you guys, it is actually sparkling, and I don't even have the Kira app on here. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say on that. I just wanted to show them to you guys, and if I would have just gotten the ring, I wouldn't have done an unboxing. But since I got two jewelry pieces from the same collection, I thought I would kind of like review the collection and show you guys like up close and like my first impressions on it. But I'm just like so obsessed. I can't wait to actually put the bracelet on right here. I think it'll look stunning, and hopefully in the future down the road I'll get the necklace. I don't know, I feel like I don't even really want it or need it. I just think I need it because I have the rest of the collection. So I don't know, let me know if I should get the necklace in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on the double G key ring collection and the bracelet and the ring that I got. Let me know what you guys think about it and if you guys will be picking it up. But yeah, I'm just really into jewelry. I don't know, I go through phases where I'm really into purses, really into like shoes, and right now it's just jewelry. Yeah, I think I'm good for a while. I don't think I need any more jewelry for a while. If Gucci came out with like earrings in this collection, I definitely would pick those up, probably, depending on what they looked like. Okay guys, so I actually checked the website, and they do have earrings for $730, but I don't really like the way they look. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I think my store that I went to did have them, but like now that I'm remembering, but I don't know, they just didn't like catch my eye. And then that's the necklace. It's just kind of like small. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And they do have this whole collection in silver, and it's quite a bit cheaper. The bracelet's $270 and the necklace is $280 instead of $490. And they have the ring for $250. So if you guys want it, but like in silver or a more like affordable option, definitely check out the silver one. It's called the Double G key. And mine is the Double G key ring or key bracelet with crystals. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and click that bell, but every Sunday and Wednesday. Also don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Like I said, let me know you guys' thoughts on this collection and if you guys will be picking it up. Also, if you guys think I should get the necklace, let me know. But yeah, I love you so, so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.